Here is how to deposit USDT on Binance, step by step. First, log in into your Binance account using the app or browser. From the homepage, tap Wallet, then select Deposit. Choose USDT from the list of cryptocurrencies. Now choose the network you want to use, like Ethereum ERC20, BNB Smart Chain BEP20, Tron TRC20, or Arbitrum. Make sure the send-in wallet supports the same network, or your funds may be lost. Copy the USDT deposit address shown on the screen, or tap the QR code if you're using another phone or app to send. Now go to the wallet or exchange you're sending from, paste the address, choose the same network, and send the USDT. After a few minutes, you'll see the funds appear in your Binance wallet once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain. And that's how to deposit USDT to Binance. Quick, reliable, and works across multiple networks. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.